is the Attorney General saying that he would need complaint filed and the involvement of Professor Frimpong Boateng to investigate matters relating to the Galamsey, or to ask the police to investigate matters relating to the Galamsey. 2, maybe the report from the Attorney General is limited to only the persons named in Professor Frimpong Boateng's report. If that is so, then the Attorney General obviously is saying, and I listened to the audio that you played, that if for him there is no complainant in this sense being Professor Frimpong Boateng, Professor Frimpong Boateng decides not to participate and assist the police with their investigations, then they have no basis to proceed. Remember, the Attorney General does not conduct investigations. I don't think the Attorney General's office conducts investigations. No, it is conducted by the police or other state entities, and the report is sent to the Attorney General for the Attorney General to recommend whether prosecution ought to proceed and whether the Attorney General itself will do the prosecution, as in the department, not the office of the minister. And so, for me, it's as if, okay, let's see, Professor Frimpong Boateng, why don't you want to participate and assist? If you have the best interest of Ghana at heart, and you say that you want to stop all these rots, do you have any justifiable basis why you will not collaborate with the state entities? At least go and collaborate with them. If you do and they do not proceed to do the investigations, then we will all know that you have given them the tools and they are just refusing to work. So I have a question, or I have not too comfortable with the approach by Professor Frimpong, but if indeed what the AG is saying is true, that they tried to reach out to him to ask him to to assist them with further information, and he refused to participate. On the other hand, whether the AG's office is saying that in the absence of the information from Professor Frimpong Boateng, the police, the other state entities, I think the Interministerial Committee on Galamsey is even dissolved. I think so. I don't know where, I've not been hearing of them these days.
Yes,
whether
it is.
There is no other source of information that will assist, since they said the persons that they were named in this report flatly denied the allegations. And so the investigators have left it like that. But I think
the Attorney General's report says that police have also done some investigations and it reveals nothing. So it's not as if they just took the professor's document and ended it there. So the Attorney General says, investigations by the police have not revealed any evidence in support of the allegations. The allegations are therefore bare and do not provide a basis for any criminal charge against the person cited in the report, except the 3 mentioned.
Well, then that's, for me, that's if the police have done investigations beyond the ambit of the petition by or the report by Professor Frimpong Boateng. The police is the state entity that we tasked to do the report, to investigate such things. If they say that we do not have any evidence, then the Attorney General cannot prosecute, because they cannot do the investigation themselves. But I am waiting to see the outcome of the investigations that would have to continue in respect of the 3 other persons who have been named.
In respect of the sale of excavators, there were some 27 excavators, and these people are indicted as selling. And there was one, Ekouzi, who has a company that was contracted to sort of move the excavators to safe grounds or safe custody. And then the journalist...
And he was also a member of the committee.
Yes, he had these problems. He was a chairman of the party, I think in the Central Region or somewhere, and he lost that position. This journalist, Seth Mante, there's a statement which Professor Frimpong Boateng adds, which is being investigated, which the Attorney General has confirmed that this is going on in a particular police station, where he is alleging that his bank or account was the one that was used to receive the monies and then withdrawn and shared among those people.
Well, like I said, now that it's as if the Attorney General have said, there are 3 of them that would require further investigations.
Right.
Let's follow it and see if, in the course of investigating these three, there may be basis to draw other persons involved.
Okay.
Because I'm saying at the end of the day, we cannot say that it is only Chinese who came to destroy our water bodies. I have always maintained that
All right.
the Chinese know Ghana.